Hey everybody, Joy here. This video is an introduction to the following 3 videos having to do with me sewing the Fit Nice System Master Top pattern. Many of you have bought the books, many of you have bought our Master Top and Master Pants, and I know you're enjoying it. Just to look through the book is so much fun if you never make anything. So this is what I need to tell you before you watch those videos. There's a prize. We're just having one prize because that makes it easier for me to keep track of. One prize. We are all going to post photos of what we make. If you don't make anything, fine, but if you do make something and you'd like to win a prize, it's not a contest, it's not a challenge, it's not anything. But if you're going to sew along with me, I require that your photo be of a garment that is on you. Okay? I like to see the garment on you. So what I want you to do, if you make 1 or 2 or 3 or 5, you can post 1 picture of each garment on Instagram. And this is the hashtag. Write this down. Don't ask me 500 times what the hashtag is, y'all. Get your pencil, get your paper, get your cell phone, get your iPad, get something. Oh, wait. La, 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 la. Okay, you got your paper, got your pencil. Here's the hashtag. Fit Nice Joy Tee. Hashtag Fit Nice Joy Tee. 1 photo of finished tee on you. Alright? Then I'll use the random number generator and we'll choose 1 entry, 1 only. And Judy has offered lovely prizes, and you have your choice. I told her so many of you have already bought the big book, and she was going to give away the big book. But I said so many of them already have it. So she said, you can either have, if you win, if your name is chosen, you can have the big book, or you can have, and this is wonderful, 3 yards of white and 3 yards of black French fuse. And 3 yards of pattern ease. Yay, yay, yay. I think that's a wonderful gift. Okay? So, please make a note. Don't watch the 3 videos and ask me 500 times what's the hashtag and are we supposed to take a picture and where are we supposed to put it. I don't have time for that in my life right now. I love you very much, but I hate answering the same question 200 times. So does everybody else on YouTube. All right, what's the hashtag? Tell me back, let me hear it. What's the hashtag? Hashtag Fit Nice Joy Tee. You got it, you're brilliant, I love it. All right, I'm going to put links below the videos. Links below the 3 videos that will give you a place to go on Amazon because I'm an affiliate at Amazon. And if you click on my link and you buy something there from my link, I'll actually get a few cents for that. And so I really like that just because it's kind of a surprise when I actually do get some. I think so far I've made $16. So, yes, please do that. Please look at the links below, and if you need any of the items that you see me using, then you can just click on one of those links and go over there and get them. Especially if I could just choose one thing that you need to have. If I could just choose one thing, it would be the friction markers. Friction markers, they are absolutely fabulous. All right, Jerry and I are getting ready to leave to go to our other house. I wanted to make this video really fast so I could get it uploaded, and these videos will go live tonight. So, God bless you all, And I'll be looking forward, and Judy Kessinger will be looking forward to seeing the things that you make. Okay? Bye for now.